Welcome back everyone to our 9th lesson where we will deal with sound effects. You may have noticed that when you open this game in Chrome it has sound effects, that's why we'll add few also. So first sound effect is when the Dino is jumping. Now let's go to our Dino, click on Add Component, Audio and Audio Source. So we need this source because our Dino is actually audio source. Now let's go ahead and open Dino script. We have to define few things. So first thing is audio source, which is called source. Then we need few clips, which are actually the files that are holding our sound, and we will access them by using this source. So type public, because we want to be able to add it from inspector. Audio clip, first one will be jump, the second one will be dead, and the third one will be score sound. Okay, great. Now in our start method we have to define what is our source. So source equals to get component and audio source that is attached to our Dino. Now first clip is jump, so go to Dino jump and let's say source dot play one shot, open the parentheses, so play jump, and the volume is 1F, so the volume will remain the same. Now for dying, go to Dino died and type the same, so source dot play one shot in parentheses dead, comma 1F. Now for our score, we want to mark every 100 scores, so our score gets to 100, we want it to make some sound, then when it gets to 200, then 3, 4 and so on. That's why we will say this. Go to check score. So let's say if score mod 500 equals to 0, so if the remainder from this operation is equal to 0, then do this. And do this meaning play one sound. So source dot play one shot, our clip is called score sound, and keep the volume, so 1F. Now let's save everything, go to our Dino, find Dino script, and as you can see we are missing jump, dead and score sound. That's why we have this sounds folder. Open it and you see dead sound, let's just drag it to dead, jump sound to jump, and score sound to score sound. Now let's see how this works. So I will jump right now, there we have one sound. Okay, great. Now, when we had our game over, not sure if you heard, I will just repeat it again. So jump one, there. Second, third, let's go to 100. There. Now let's go to 200. Great. Our sounds are working. Let's check the game over sound, meaning our dead sound. There it is. So this is everything for this lesson. See you next time.